Obalola na agwa obalose. Anu nganga mpi. Alusi oge ka agba otefe. Mmụọ na-apụ apụ. Anyị abịakwakwa ka isi abịa. My daughter, what can I do for you?
Ezimo, you know now, I just need a man. I need like a sugar daddy that will be taking care of me.
The sugar daddy that will be taking care of you.
Yes, Ezimo.
Like Odogwu and Odogwu.
Odogwu, what's that?
The God said I should ask you, what do you do for a living?
Ezimo, I'm a student. I'm a student here.
You are a student and you need the Odogwu Gana Chachago. Then Melogi, even then Yellowaka. You want to go in?
I'm friends now.
Because I should ask you again. Do you think females like you don't make money? They are
making money, but you know now, I'm still a student. After school, I might work. When I come to Odogwu now.
What type of Odogwu do you want?
Odogwu, Bikubana, Odogwu, Iman, Tinememe.
E-money, father.
E-money.
Hey! All work on the loom. All the corner, a blue mafia, Subalo Rani. Django, Atuamonabo. Also, not your Odogwu. Okamolodogu for no. My daughter, all the Odogwus we have are all occupied. There is only but one Odogwu. Odogwu Bubu. Yes, Odogwu Bubu. That is the only Odogwu that is remaining now.
Can he take care of me like Odogwu? Someone that can take care of me, pay my house rent, all these things.
That one will be when he appears. When I evoke him, then you ask him. Maybe you ask him his net worth, if he can take care of you and all that. Just if you want me to invoke him, I will invoke him now. But listen, my daughter, if I do that, no going back. It's for you.
As far as he's Odogwu, I want him.
Odogwu.
Yeah.
Obalola na agwa obalose, Django, Atuamu na abo. Alusi abo tefe. Osi no cholo Odogwu bubu. It is time to do. Do the doing and the doing and the doings. Odogwu bubu. Odogwu bubu. Odogwu bubu. Appear!
Jesus. So what kind of Odogwu is this?
This is Odogwu bubu.
I don't want this kind of Odogwu.
No, my daughter, it's your Odogwu. And I told you, Onye Banye, Obanye go. This is your Odogwu. Meet him.
Does he even have money?
Look at him here. Ask him by yourself.
Odogwu, how much do you want?
I am worth minus 3.5 million.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
Minus 3.5 million. That is the age of Mogo 3.5 million. I'm owing people 3.5 million.
Oh my God.
And it's me and my wife that will pay it.
Oh my God. Don't touch me.
Young woman, this is your Odogwu. Eh? You have to go with him. Odogwu bubu. This girl wants me to charm you.
They have charmed me before now. They have used me before now. How can they go now? Eh? Let her stand up first. Let me see her.
My daughter, stand up. Stand up. Let him see your selling point.
Let her turn around.
Turn around.
Let her not charm me. No need for her to charm me. Let her just call me. Come on, I am my name. No need for her to charm me. I like her.
You can go with her.
Thank you. No need to charm me.
Odogwu.
Let me, you know what I'm doing.
Get out of this place, both of you. Ị na-eme chairman. Tata ka ị ga-afụsị Odogwu abụ n'ife ji abụ Odogwu. Iche na Odogwu niile bụ Odogwu. Odogwu abụrụkwanụ guy name.